My father made it a point to read to me. My mother would read to me. My father would make me read. And um, the holidays that we celebrated, whether it was Passover or Hanukkah or any of the national type holidays the Jews celebrate, were all non-religious. So they substituted, because they were Bundisten, they substituted it with a literarischen Yontif. So who were the literarische uh, teachers of the time? It was Shalom Aleichem, Yud Lamed Peretz, Rezen, and these names to me became next door, because I would read their poems. And I mean, as a 6, 7 year old, you don't. I'm not talking deep philosophy here, but my parents would make sure that I lived with the Yiddish underpinnings in literature.